This is a step-by-step guide on how to clean your windows without leaving streaks. Keeping your windows clean isn't just about the view. It will help you prevent hard water from building up and etching into the glass. In this video, I'll show you techniques to avoid scratching and damaging your windows. To clean your windows, you will need a window washer, a squeegee, dish soap, microfiber cloths, a bucket with cold water, and a soft brush. First, use your soft brush to sweep away any cobwebs or dust around the windowsill or frame before getting anything wet. Next, apply your solution with the window washer. If the window is huge, don't do it all at once or it will dry too quickly. Start with a smaller section, top to bottom. Once your window is wet with the solution, use the squeegee in a continuous S motion or pull straight down from top to bottom. Every time you remove the squeegee from the glass, ensure you wipe it with a microfiber cloth. This will ensure all cleaning solution is removed and windows are streak-free. After all the solution is removed, use a dry microfiber cloth to clean any missed spots. What are the biggest mistakes people make when cleaning their windows? A mistake people usually make is cleaning in direct sunlight, which results in the window drying too fast, which leads to streaks. To avoid this, pick a cloudy day and clean out of the direct sunlight. What are the best techniques to clean a window? You may see professionals using the S technique. However, a more basic technique like top to bottom in one continuous straight line is just as effective. I hope these tips help you get your home looking its absolute best. If you'd like to see more expert cleaning advice, follow our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and save for later. Or jump onto Airtasker, post a task and have a tasker come out today.